Advance happy hearts to everyone. Nay, awan mo rin ka Valentinok. Nakapoy ka Cupido na Ate Rainy Miles. Kantaman di Rest Your Love.
Kakaasim mo ni Ate. Han, adulat ta. Apay da talaang ka di iti pagalaan tayo iti. Damo, magatang ko naman yan Ate Rainy Miles. Gumatang kan iti kaingungo mo iti biyag. Kas kumara kita mabalimot di hulugan. Paraking ka.
Thank you, amin katig-katig bubuya.
Maybe you don't know me any more than I know you, and I wouldn't claim you if you walked away. I've been watching you all evening with the teardrops in your eyes. And it touches me much more than I can say.
Daming hangin
You know I hate to think that someone could have hurt someone like you. And if I was him, I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, but your world is in my pocket. Rest your love on me wide. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, but your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me wide. Go ahead, John Mayer.
Mga mata?
Ed Sheeran. Ed Sheeran version.
Ed Sheeran. Saw you in the corner, and the moment I walked in, saw your lonely face across the room. No, I won't forget it, and the way it might have been. Why did you have to leave me so soon?
You know I hate to think that someone could have loved you more than me. And at times like this, I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me wide. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me wide. How long must I wait for the last rain to be here and the last chance to come? Had to think that I was born too soon. How long, honey, when the Lord don't come? I was there when you left, just didn't know how to begin. Oh, lay your troubles on my shoulder, but your worries in my pocket. Rest your love me while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, but your worries in my pocket. Rest your love me while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me while. Oh, lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me while. of course, naimbag apo ngal daw tayo amin and advance happy Valentine with this peace.
I found the love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you all this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath that you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Oh, no, no. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
She looks... Oh. Wala nang hahanapin pang ako na the perfect.
I love it.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I it be a sin? But I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand and take my whole life too. But I can't help falling in love with you. Take my hand and take my whole life through. But I can't help falling in love with you. But I can't help falling in love. I just can't help falling in love with you.
7 minutes before 3 p.m.
You are still with your Manu June, together with John Mark right here on 97.7
Sweet Radio, Santiago City, Nag-Summit.
Super Summit.
Another summer day is come and gone away. In Paris and Rome, but I wanna go home. No. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. I just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, each one a light too. I'm fine, baby, how are you? Well, I would send them, but I know that it's just not enough. My words were cold and flat, and you deserve more than that. Another aeroplane, another sunny place. I'm lucky, I know, but I wanna go home. I got to go home. Let me go home. I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna go home.
For those who are alone and feel like going home, ayak tang kayo agtuwado ka aruma at adlaket ditinan ang makay nga ornong yun dita nga mabali nyo pag-fletting ako na dako ay.
Yet I feel just like I'm living someone else's life. It's like I just stepped outside when everything was going right, and I is why you could not come along with me. This was not your dream, but you always believe in me. Another winter day has come and gone away, and even Paris and more, but I wanna go home. Let me go home. And I'm surrounded by a million people, I still feel alone. Let me go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. Let me go home. I bet my run, baby, I'm done. Gotta go home. Let me go home. It will alright. I'll be home tonight. I'm coming back home.
And ito na po nga Gibo City programa may napuluan at da kami man dito lang 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago City nagsamit. Thank you very much for being with us. Kada titimano yung June saying goodbye and God bless everyone.
Kan kana kanyo John Mark Pastor.
Well, kapay lo kuma ta akikita tito man next Sunday ito lang ang programa mi. Kat kabayatan tintay panangidop iti intay arad radyo. Inayadin nyo kumaabong. All my life, without a doubt, I give in. All my life, now and forever till the day I die, you and I will share. All the things this changing world can offer. So I say I'd be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun that shines started on my way. I do recall that every moment spent was a wasted time, but then I chose to lay it on the line. I put the past away, I put the past away, I put the past away. All my life I will carry you through. All my life, between each hour of the passing day, I will stay with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun that shines started on my way. Oh, I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time, but then I chose to lay it on the line. I want this all my life, I want this all my life, I want this all my life. Thank you very much, and God bless everyone. Advance Happy Valentine from the Ford Duo, and that's all for today.